Hi there, and in this video I want to show you the best websites, the best ways in which you can get your own free and amazing assets. Because yes, of course, creating them will take a lot of time, or at least considerable amount of time that you could be spending developing your own game, or hiring a team or whatever is of course something that you would have to spend money on. So let's start with this website that you probably already know, that is basically Kenny. So this is amazing because they are actually free, okay, completely free, and you can use them for whatever you want. So it's something amazing, and the quality of them are basically amazing as well. So actually here they have more things like games, tools, starter kits, whatever. But what we are actually more interested in this case is basically assets. You can even sort here in different sections, because as you can see the catalog is quite huge. You can look for only just 2D assets, okay, 3D assets, UI assets, even audio, just pixel art over here, textures, etc. So indeed it is quite good. And if we actually check just one of these assets, literally anyone that pops up over here, let's say if we can find, for example, this one, roguelike characters, as you can see they are huge as well. They actually like contain dozens of assets. Sometimes if you're creating actually something for your own, you may have to combine different assets. Maybe you like, I don't know, this mini pack from here, you like some of these styles, but then you like the character from this pack. Well, maybe you don't like this kind of brick character, but anyway. And then you also want to use some UI stuff, so it is completely valid as well to combine different of them, because they are all free to use. For example, over here in all of them, they have this license CC0. This content is free to use in personal, educational and commercial projects. Written permission not required, but you can still give credits if you want. Support us by crediting or donating, which is voluntary, okay? So well, whenever you are prototyping something fast, or you want to start creating your first games, this is probably the first place in which I would look for assets. Now the next website that you could take a look at is basically letta.io. This is probably another one that you may know. This is one that has actually much more things than just assets. As you can see, it has browser games, it has tools, physical games, books, it has literally lots of things. And also this is a place in which you can join some game jams if you wanted to. So here in the browse section you can go to game assets. You also have albums and soundtracks. That is something that we'll also check out. Now what you do have to take into account is the fact that, for example, some of them are going to be paid assets, okay? Some of them could be free or even could be paid, and you may have to provide the credits. So that is something that you do have to take into account and really read the license and the different conditions whenever you are downloading them for free or even purchasing them. The good thing is that you can also sort here by here in the tags you can select different sizes, if it is an animation, if it is audio, background, characters. Literally you have like lots of things over there. And also here on the left you can select the price, if it is free, on sale, paid, $5 or less, 15 or less. So once again you have like a lot of filters that are going to help you a lot. For example, we can look for free, and once again take a look at the quality of this asset. It is quite good. But once again, for example, I'm going to open this one up. It is also like pretty visual and interesting here, the different things that they have. You also have to take into account here license, public domain. These assets are released under Creative Commons 0 CC0 license. You can distribute, remix, adapt and build upon the material in any medium or format. Even for commercial purposes, attribution is not required. So well, once again, this is the exact same license as Kenny assets, but maybe some other assets doesn't have that license. So you really have to take into account that. And for example, now I've pressed over here on music. So here I have once again a lot of music that I would be able to use. Once again, here I have, for example, user interfaces, elements. I have icons, I have fonts, I have backgrounds, I have tile sets. I even have sound effects here that I would be able to download. So indeed, a lot of things. Now the last website that I want to show you is mostly related to basically sound effects and music. This one is freesound.org. This is everything that you have to. This is the best website I would say to find free sounds and free music. You can look for anything, you know, laser, and you would be able to find here a laser sound. Once again, here there are some assets that you may have to take a look at the license. Here you can actually sort by the license. So for example, here you have to provide attribution in non-commercial projects, sampling. Well, you have different things that you have to take into account. But for example, if you select Creative Commons 0, and for example, if I go to this one, and once again, this is the license that allows you to do mostly whatever thing you want to do with these sound effects. And lastly, what I wanted to mention is that you can actually create something quite cool with these assets and merging different of them, as I was mentioning at the beginning. This is a game that I have created in the Godot engine. I right now muted every single sound of the game, because if not I would not be able to talk at the same time. But for example, here in the assets I have audio, and some of this audio I have collected it from freesound.org. Some of it I believe that was from Kenny. So some others I made them myself because I already had them on my PC. For example, in the character, this character is from one pack, the coin is from another pack, the decorations I believe that are from another pack, and the vehicles are from another pack, and the background is from another pack. So this is, and the font is once again from another pack. So you really have to take that effort of looking around in the internet if you really want to create something good with just free assets, and you may end up having something quite interesting. I'll show you right now what I was able to actually create over here. This is the player that is even animated, the vehicles with their own particles. Of course, sometimes you may need to modify these images a little bit. For example, the background was, I believe that it was blue, so I basically opened it up in Photoshop and just modified a little bit the colors. It was super quick, because if not, if it was like an actual sky, it was like super complicated to actually see the player, because the trousers are also blue. There are some decorations and cars that are blue as well. But well, at the end it seems that everything actually makes sense, that the style is quite good. There is some pixel art in the player, in the coin, in the vehicle, but well, all the rest, it does look as if I could have hired somebody to actually do this art, but it does look quite good. If you're serious about leveling up your Godot skills, check out my course. In less than 6 hours, you'll master Godot fundamentals while building this amazing project. Links in the description. See you there.